So we are in the nerd cave closet where I keep all my upcoming projects. I have all kinds of stuff in here, but today let's pick something from here. How about this guy? Yeah. I just got the replacement screen for this guy not too long ago. Let's get him on the bench and see what we can do. Let's see if we can fix a Vita. All right. To the cameras. So I got this guy on eBay a while back, and it does charge up and it does turn on. But if you look at it in just the right angle, you'll see right here that the screen is actually cracked on it. And my all my other Vitas, you have to like actually swipe down in order to open it up. So I can't hear anything or see anything. So I'm thinking that the only thing that's wrong with this is that it needs a new screen. Let's get it taken apart and let's get this screen replaced and see if we can get this guy going. All right, let's get this guy apart and let's see if we can get him working. Okay. Need to get all of this out so we can get to the screen on the inside and get it replaced. So I'm just going to kind of transfer everything as I go. A lot of this is modular, so we should be able to take it piece by piece without too much hassle, I think. So I think we should be together enough to test to see if it powers on. Huh? Check it out. Okay. Right on. All right, let's power it off. Let's make sure it reads the game. And it does. Thank you guys for joining me today. It was kind of a short one, but I enjoyed this one. So I'm glad to see this guy finally up and working and not just sitting on the shelf any longer. I really enjoyed this. I hope to see you guys again soon, and I hope you enjoyed it as well.